Hello everybody, how you doing today? I'm hoping to kind of get this kit finished up. It's been sitting to the side for a while. Here's the box. What the box looks like with some of the accessories. Different buildings and kits to put together from Tyco. And if any of you guys have a newer version of this, I don't believe it really comes with a set of directions. So here's the directions. Here's a look at it. As you can see, I've got some of it done, like the little hand crank there, and some of this is put together, and I've got a bit of detail painting on it, but not completed. This one I haven't really painted at all. And some of the little pieces I've done some painting too. Some I haven't, so yeah, let's try to get this thing finished. Alright, we got the side walls all put up and the windows installed. There's a little bit of a brick along the bottom. Let's put the roof on. Alright, we got the roof on. Alright. We got the doors installed. A little vent on top, the roof installed. Alright, and I now installed the back little shed. And now we got the little bench installed. Alright, we painted the bench brown, a little black on the top of that. I painted that windows, put a little bit of a light coat on that. It's kind of an old weathered looking rig here. Well, alright, here we go. Other than a little bit of painting and some weathering, it's pretty much done. A few barrels to kind of paint up. Some of the stuff I've already got up. It's just accessory stuff to set around wherever you want to put it. But yeah, there we go. Alright, and here once again is the box and kind of what the final product should look like, with a little bit of painting and whatnot to it. And that's what we have done. So alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed, and you have a great day.